click and go to create closing order.
Okay.
And then just straight across to buy one apple. And over here on the far right, there's a hidden gear symbol. When you hover over it, it's just a little bit down.
Okay.
As in that box, that takes us to the order rules. So we can base the order off of the price of apple.
Okay.
In the condition section, if you click in the space just under symbol, it'll give you a box with the underlying symbol. It's just barely under symbol.
Okay.
And then as you hit tab, the other boxes will fill in. I believe it'll default to mark.
Okay.
Okay, so the mark, and it's currently set to at or below or less than or equal to.
Okay.
And the threshold would be the price.
Okay.
So in this situation, we'd leave it less than or equal to because it's almost at 122. And this is where we put in 120.25.
Okay.
And the next thing we'd want to do is adjust the order that's actually sent. So this determines what condition needs to be met to send the order.
Okay.
And in this upper section, that's the details for the order that'll be sent. If apple's less than or equal to 120 and a quarter, we don't know exactly where the put will be trading, but we have a few options to link it to. We could link it to the ask price, which would be the natural, or we could link it to the mark, which would be the midpoint at the time this condition is true. Or we could do either of those and then offset it by 5 or 10 cents if you want to put an order in to buy back at the mid plus 5 cents or minus 5 cents. We've got a lot of options.
Okay, so the market would be about the midpoint, you're saying?
Mark is midpoint.
Okay.
Under limit link 2, this MAN is just short for manual.
Okay.
We would change that to mark.
Okay.
So this means when Apple is less than or equal to 120 and a quarter, it'll send an order to buy back this March 19th put at the midpoint, whatever that happens to be at the time.
Okay. And I just have save and confirm and send. That would do that, huh?
Yep. Save, and then maybe change it to good till canceled if you want it to be open for more than today only.
Oh, right. And confirm and send, correct?
That's right. Ready to confirm and send.
Okay. Okay, now we did that, but let's say we'd want the whole entire spread, both legs to close. We'd click on both of these now, is that right?
Yep. Click on this little arrow on the lower left. And notice it was on first triggers OCO. If we change that to single, it'll stop saving the old orders.
Okay.
And then we can minimize it.
All right. So then let's go here once. Let's go, just to make it easy, let's get rid of this one, right? Cancel order. And then we'll go back to monitor. Let's go back to here. Right click, create closing order. Okay, now what do you do from here?
To link it to 120 and a quarter, we click on this little gear on the far right. And then we click on this space underneath symbol, and then tab across to the threshold.
Okay. Then we put the 120.25 again, is that right?
Yep.
Okay, then what?
And then lastly, we change the limit link to manual to mark.
Mark again. Okay, and that would be it then?
That's it. We're ready to save.
Then government
And then
send.
change the time in force. It's set to days. You want to change
Oh
to
yeah. I'd go like here, go here, and cancel base order, and then change this to good till canceled. And that takes care of that. Then I guess that's it, right?